Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to redeem a Tesco gift card online or in the application in 2026. Now, a Tesco gift card can be used to pay for the groceries, clothing and other items. So if you are shopping through the website or mobile application, you can apply the gift card during checkout by entering the card code. So first of all, you need to open the Tesco grocery or the club card application, or you can also open your web browser and search for tesco.com. So over here, click on the sign in option on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you can basically sign in here by providing your email address and password. So when you sign in or when you log in, you just have to select your groceries or the products. So you need to open the product, then select the option of add to basket, or click on the option of add in order to add it to the checkout option. Now, when you click on the checkout option, you just have to review your detail, and during the checkout, while selecting the payment method, make sure that you select the option of the gift card. So after selecting the option of gift card, simply enter your gift card number and the PIN from the Tesco gift card, and then simply click on the option of apply. So this way Tesco will automatically deduct the gift card value from your order, and it is going to basically show whether the code is accepted. So if the gift card balance covers the full order, your payment will be completed using the card. But if the balance is lower than the order total, you can pay the remaining amount using another payment method such as the debit or the credit card. So after applying the gift card and completing the payment, review your order summary and confirm the purchase. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.